In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 9, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, and here we've got the keypad panel. So let's start with the first code, which is the longest one, and it will redirect us to the project menu. So let's start with asterisk pound 284 657 9 pound asterisk. And as you can see here, we've got the project menu. So this panel allows you to check the background settings, variant information, check network information query, software upgrade, perform a factory reset, or check the battery. So if you'd like to hard reset this device, pick restore factory. If you'd like to gain some variant information, just mark it and then go to version info, manufacturer info, or the others. It's up to you. Just click and open, and obviously you can pick any other of the options here to check, and then go back with this back icon. So that will be all for the first code. The second one is pretty simple because it's asterisk pound 0000 pound asterisk. And here we've got the about phone panel. So this one allows you to check the model, build number, hardware version, PRL version, email numbers, even both of them, and so on. So if you would like to check some unique numbers assigned to your device and also some data connected with it, smoothly enter about phone by this code. So let me go back. Another code that you can use here is asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk. And here we've got the calendar info. So if you are the one who always forget about the events, celebrations, and so on, this is just the perfect method because all events and celebrations from all your calendars would be included here, so you will not be surprised with any upcoming event. So let's go back, and the last code that I would like to share with you today is the one that will show us our email number. Just enter asterisk pound 06 pound, and here you've got email numbers and also serial number below. And that will be all. These are all codes I wanted to share with you today. Use them whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.